Across the consumer packaged goods industry, manufacturers are transforming how they operate and leveraging technology to save time and money and future-proof their businesses. For many, the filling or dispensing process is one of the most critical steps, yet it remains a struggle to achieve consistent and accurate results. Overfilling results in product giveaway and lost revenue, while underfilling is damaging to your brand and can result in costly rework or regulatory risk. FactoryTalk Analytics LogixAI for Perfect Fill increases plant profitability by enabling you to predict product fill weight at the edge at high speed. Using out-of-the-box machine learning, LogixAI software analyzes your production data and builds a model to predict the weight of product being filled in the containers. These near real-time predictions are based on your current operating conditions and can be used to alert operators to deviations from your target fill weight. This allows them to increase or decrease the fill set point as needed. Or you can integrate the prediction with your automation system for closed-loop control to eliminate manual intervention. Unlike homegrown solutions, LogixAI is repeatable and scalable. Plus, you can pair it with FactoryTalk Edge Manager, Rockwell Automation's intelligent edge orchestration solution for centralized, remote, and highly secure application and edge device management. For over 100 years, Rockwell Automation domain experts have been by your side. And now, with the power of AI, we're harnessing that knowledge into out-of-the-box solutions that address your most critical applications. If you're looking for AI solutions designed for manufacturing, consider FactoryTalk Analytics LogixAI for Perfect Fill. It's one of the many digital transformation solutions that Rockwell Automation offers in our full suite of yield optimization solutions. To learn more, contact us today.